privileged to have this opportunity to speak to you because I came to visit the school. I even learned that I have a house in this school has been named after me. So I know my godson is in that house, but are some of you in Osei Mensah house? Who are those? Let me see you. Let me see you. Wow. Right on the field, let's clap for you. It's good to visit a school where you have even received honors in absence. It's a way of encouraging me and other good citizens of our town. Your headmaster has asked me to speak to you because you are in your third year and very soon you'll be entering the senior high school, right? When are you writing the exams? 15th of what? June. Of June. So does it mean that you've already filled forms to choose your schools and other things? Not yet. But which school do you intend attending? Do you have in mind some of the schools that you want to attend? Yes. Where do you want to go, for instance? That's white lady. I'm glad to be with you this afternoon. I've had the first opportunity to say good afternoon to a part of you, and I'm saying good afternoon to those that I have not seen. So good afternoon to those that I have not seen. How are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you.